Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte made his first appearance at the International Criminal Court last Friday. This marked the start of what is expected to be a lengthy legal process to deliver justice and accountability for the victims of his violent war on drugs. His arrest and extradition 3 days earlier came with challenges. Before the Philippine authorities shipped him off to The Hague, Duterte and his allies staged a 12-hour rearguard action to keep him in the country. The ex-leader refused to have his fingerprints recorded and complained he was denied medical care. Still, his detention made history. It set up what could be the first time the ICC puts on trial a former Asian leader. Duterte is facing a charge of crimes against humanity for masterminding a war on drugs that killed thousands of Filipinos during his presidency from 2016 to 2022. His next appearance at the ICC will be on September 23 for a hearing to confirm the charges. Last week's drama also marked the latest chapter in the Philippines' sauciest political saga, the feud between two of the nation's foremost political clans, the Marcoses and Dutertes. Bongbong Marcos is the incumbent president and son of the late dictator Ferdinand Marcos, who placed the country under martial law for 14 years, crippling the economy and public institutions. To get elected in May 2022, he formed a pact with Duterte's daughter, Sara, who is the vice president. But by the end of 2023, their alliance had crumbled over mutual distrust and Sara pushing her own agenda. She broke with the administration by resigning as education secretary and the cabinet in June 2024. Several months later, the Philippine Congress began investigating Sara's use of confidential funds, money that can be spent without official oversight. While this was happening, lawmakers launched an investigation into Rodrigo's war on drugs. He appeared in front of senators, telling them he took full responsibility for the bloody campaign. In November, Sara threatened on social media to assassinate Marcos Jr., his wife, and the House Speaker if she is killed. This paved the way for her impeachment last month. The Marcos administration's political maneuvers have left the Dutertes very exposed. Rodrigo is at the mercy of the ICC, while Sara is awaiting her impeachment trial. This will happen after May's midterm elections. Experts say the polls are a proxy battle between the two dynasties, with Rodrigo still running to be mayor of Davao City. The results will determine their brand strength and decide Sara's political fate.